Welcome to a new video on artificial intelligence. Today we're exploring how machines actually learn. And believe it or not, it's a lot like teaching your pet a new trick. Imagine you just got a new puppy. You want to teach it to sit, so you say sit and show it what to do. When it gets it right, you give it a treat. When it doesn't, you try again. After lots of tries, your puppy learns, oh, when I sit, I get a treat. Now replace the puppy with a computer. Instead of treats, it gets data. And instead of sitting, it learns to recognize patterns, like spotting cats in pictures or understanding words. That's called machine learning. Machine learning is when a computer learns by practicing with lots and lots of examples instead of just following fixed rules. If we tell a normal computer exactly what to do, it follows instructions step by step, like a recipe. But a machine learning computer figures out patterns all by itself after seeing enough data. Let's say we want a computer to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. At first, it has no idea, so we show it lots of pictures, thousands of cats and dogs. Each time we tell it, this one's a cat, this one's a dog. At the start, it guesses wrong, but over time it starts noticing. Cats usually have pointier ears and smaller noses. Dogs often have longer faces and wagging tails. After enough examples, it learns to get it right. Just like your puppy learned to sit, the computer keeps adjusting tiny settings inside, little dials that help it make better guesses. Every time it makes a mistake, it tweaks those dials, slowly improving. That's called training a model. It's like the computer's brain getting sharper the more it practices. Imagine each dial as a player on a sports team or a student in a classroom. At first, not everyone knows what to do. Some make mistakes, some get it right. But after lots of practice, they start learning how to work together, adjusting slightly each time until the whole team performs better. Machine learning works the same way. Every dial learns a tiny part of the job, and when they all work together, the computer becomes really smart. Machine learning is everywhere. When YouTube recommends videos you might like, when voice assistants like Siri understand your words, even when games get smarter and adapt to how you play. Every one of those examples is a machine learning system improving with practice. If we could peek inside a machine learning school, we'd see lots of robots sitting at desks looking at tons of data. They'd raise their little robot hands. Is this a cat? No? Okay, I'll try again. Just like us, they learn by trial and error, by practicing, failing and trying again until they get it right. If you could teach a computer to learn anything, what would it be? Would you train it to draw, tell jokes, play football, or help with homework? Think about what kind of data it would need to practice with. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. Machine learning means computers learn from examples. Data is like their training material. They improve by practicing, just like pets, students, or sports teams. The more examples they see, the smarter they get. Here's a fun challenge. Look around your day and try to spot 3 examples of machine learning. Maybe it's a song suggestion that feels perfect, a photo app that recognizes your face, or a game that adapts to your skill level. Can you find them? That's all for today's lesson on how machines learn. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love robots and cool tech. And stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore how data powers everything AI does. See you next time.